Let's talk about the 10-second grab. Most television reporters are looking for a 10-second grab, around that sort of time when they're conducting an interview. Now, they don't want the talent to waffle on. They want to be able to use a short piece of that interview that's clear and concise and includes key information. Is there one here? Congratulations, you must be thrilled with the new record sales.
We're delighted. We'll continue to climb, but yeah, we're happy. The numbers are good. Everyone's working really hard, I should say that. And look, it's gonna get even better. I'd say everyone's out there putting in all the long hours and focusing just on the main things, the issues, and the numbers are up 40%. We actually expect. Well, it's 40% already, and we expect it to perhaps climb even further next year.
Oh, that was just tedious, rambling and unclear, uncertain, and nothing really that could be used in the story. Here's the way to do it. Congratulations, you must be thrilled with the new record sales.
We are delighted with the numbers. Everyone's worked so hard, putting in extra hours, focusing on the issues at hand. Our numbers are up by a record 40%, and we expect them to continue to climb like that next year as well.
Far better. It's short, concise, and to the point. Perfect. Here's some more good and bad examples. Minister, what's the situation with the railway?
The situation with the railway is that we're going to build it maybe 3 years, I think. No, it might actually be 2. And I guess we've got to have some funds. We've got to pay for it somehow. So yeah, I guess we've got to get the money. So yeah, we've got to get the money so we can build the railway and yeah, get it built within a few years anyway.
What can you tell us about the railway line?
My government is committed to building the railway line. We will make the funds available and we will complete the project within 2 years.
Be aware that generally the shorter the grab for a television news story, the better.